Okay, good morning everybody. Everybody wanted to see the improvisational box. If you don't have a box handy, you can always use a leash. You want to go first? I guess we'll do Dinah first. Alright, so we put this out. Here, Dinah. You ready? In your box. In your box. Get back in your box. Back. There, that's your box. Okay, get it. Go in your box. Hurry up, get in there. Good job, see? Just like a regular box. Excellent, good down. Good girl. Okay, get it. In your box. Come on. In your box. Get in your box. Right there, good job. No, get back. Get back more. There. Good. Good job. You hit your box. Let's just fix that. Okay, in your box. Get back here. What are you doing? Someone's having a little bit of fun with their egg over there. Get in your box. Go on. Get in there. Go on. In your box. In your box, Dinah. Go on. Get in there. Get in. In your box. Go on. Good job. Good job. Nice. Good. Get it. Woo, okay for you. Okay.